Ha!
They have 12 men on the field.
Run, run!
12 men on the field.
Nice kick, guys.
Count the Colts.
3, 4, 6.
No, it was 11. 12 now if somebody don't leave.
He caught that ball.
There it goes
I
one.
counted 12 before it
Chain
took off.
gang was you don't have a chain gang set. You get it with a
But now you gotta redo it. You gotta have the chain thing. Now it's gonna change.
Boy, man. Who threw the ball that hard? It broke the elbow. Oh, you got hit in the head? And you fell back? And hit your elbow on the ground?
No, I took him to the gas station last time.
Oh my goodness, man. You all right? That's right, man. That's all right. You come back from an injury, be back out here next year.
Yeah, you ask all the kids, hey, you gotta go to the bathroom? You gotta go to the bathroom? I wasn't gonna go again.
I know, I think that's not
They only got 12 total.
right now.
What do we got?
10.
Give it a minute.
Hey, coach. They were running off in all their warm-ups. They went off tackle right, off tackle left, off tackle right, off tackle left.
As long as you can't see the
Whistle!
Is it bothering you now?
This is the only thing I do.
Chew on it? Mess with it?
And this is my good hand.
Oh no. So now you gotta learn to write with that one.
No,
No.
What'd he say?
He said now you get to write all his homework.
Who false started?
He gets to pay me.
I told him he gets to learn to be left-handed.
They have him sworn. They're like, oh, we're giving him a buddy, and he say what he wants, and they'll write it for him. I'm like, oh, okay.
He'll be wanting a broke arm all the time if you can do that.
He thought his legs was broke. He made me his maid yesterday. I'm like, nothing's wrong with your legs.
This is your one-day grace.
Yes, and that's what he got. It's over now.
I was in a lot of pain.
A lot of pain.
I
Oh.
try to keep the pain under control, but when that pain go down,
Hey, look at it.
Get out there. Watch the ball.
Stop moving.
Get him, new. Right there. That's
Go,
your boy.
go, go.
Let's go, Steelers!
Good job, no! Hey, get up there! Extra point!
Line up.
Extra point! Let's go!
Two.
Get that too, guys.
Corey, you know I don't.
I keep telling y'all, move up.
Nice job, Bush! Nice job,
No,
no!
you were short enough. It went right over you.
Is that the quarterback?
That was the left side too, wasn't
I
said no daydreaming.
Aw.
Keep going.
Oh yeah. Oh no, we had the ball.
Oh, that's what I thought.
Yeah, but he just made
blocked
a lane
for it.
for it. Yeah.
Pretty smooth one. Getting better, thank you. It's been a really weird.
Let's have the main players. We have to
Come on, guys, this is important.
Well, with blood clots, I don't know. I mean, that threw me in for a loop on that.
Take care of that.
Yeah.
behind your knees and main place.
Go, go,
Go, go, go, go!
Shake them off.
Get in there.
Yes! 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 That's you. Nice job, Steelers!